Channeling the power of the juvenile and mostly with the youth culture in mind, SuperEQ steps up the audio market and provides a plethora of audio peripherals that include, but are not limited to, different varieties of earbuds and headphones. On the review table today, we have the S1 from SuperEQ, which for the money provides an incredible amount of features, making it instantly attractive to people who are on a budget. But is it worth it though? That's what we're here to find out today. So, without further ado, let's begin. In terms of design, the S1 doesn't bring anything new to the table, as they look pretty ordinary in appearance. The headphones appear to be made out of plastic materials with some metallic elements in the ear cups. However, they do come with soft protein leather ear cups, which makes this a relatively comfortable wear. Due to the building materials, the headphones are relatively lightweight, weighing only 9.9 ounces. Although they don't swivel, they do have the ability to tilt and adjust your ears to a certain amount, which further increases the fit. In terms of buttons, on the left side, we have the power button and volume buttons. You can hold down the power button to turn it on or off and hold the volume buttons down to skip tracks. And on the other side, we have a micro USB port for charging, an aux port, and a dedicated button for the ANC. Yes, you heard that right. All that at an incredibly affordable price. Want to know more about the features? Let's get right into it. For budget headphones, it has a couple of pretty premium features. Being a hybrid pair of headphones, the S1 does justice to both wired and wireless connectivity. The headphones are capable of connecting themselves with multiple devices simultaneously, though you can only play music from a single source. The highlight of this pair of headphones is the ANC and the transparency mode they provide. And while the transparency mode was acceptable, we really expected a better level of ANC, as when we turn the feature on, a slight but noticeable static begins to surround us, which really ruins the immersion. Thankfully, the rotatable ear cups with the cushions do a stellar job of noise isolation by providing an overall good fit. For this, we would recommend not using the ANC but using the built-in noise isolation instead. In terms of audio quality, the name of the game is bass. That's it, being high-res certified, which, as you know by now, is awarded to only those with exceptional audio quality. The SuperEQ S1 produces powerful and deep bass with an impressive level of clarity, ensuring an immersive musical journey. Where this pair of budget headphones shine, however, is the overall battery life. On paper and from what we've seen, the SuperEQ S1 has a simply amazing battery life that runs for an incredibly long-lasting 45 hours. That too with Bluetooth turned on. You'll get around 40 hours with Bluetooth and ANC turned on, and a whopping 50 hours when used in wired noise cancellation mode. All in all, for the price, this is a pretty incredible pair of headphones that comes with Bluetooth 5.0, a hybrid connecting setup, a mind-blowing amount of runtime, and ANC and transparency mode, be that somewhat mediocre, but we really did not expect more from a headphone on this price range. The audio quality is highly commendable as well, since we've been using this for a while now. And it's almost always been a pleasant experience, as long as we didn't touch the ANC, that is. For the money, this is a pretty decent pair of headphones that you'll love to take with you anywhere. So, that was a review of the relatively budget-friendly SuperEQ S1 Bluetooth 5.0 over-ear wireless and wired headphones. We really hope you enjoyed the video and it served the purpose of informing you about the product before you make a purchasing decision. Do let us know your experience regarding this if you have it already, and for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more videos like this on your feed.